Welcome to my smart home. On our smart home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Trane air conditioner with Alexa makes managing the climate in your home easier and more convenient. First, ensure that your Trane air conditioner is compatible with Alexa. You can connect your air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network using the Trane Home app and integrate it with Amazon Alexa, allowing you to control its functions through voice commands. To get started, download the Trane Home app and create an account. After adding your air conditioner to the app, go to the Skills and Games section in the Amazon Alexa app and activate the Trane Home skill. Once you link your Trane account to Alexa, it will automatically recognize your air conditioner. After your device is recognized, tell Alexa to discover devices to sync your air conditioner. Once the setup is complete, you can use commands like, "Alexa, turn on the air conditioner," or "Alexa, set the temperature to 23 degrees. You can also adjust the fan speed or switch to energy-saving mode. Controlling your Trane air conditioner with Alexa allows you to manage your home's temperature more comfortably. You can even create Alexa routines to schedule when your air conditioner turns on or off, or sync it with other smart home devices. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.